Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your device type, the Google account tied to Gpay, and a charged phone. This avoids mid-process interruptions. Once done, open Gpay, tap your profile and choose Account Settings because the password or PIN options live there. If you see a fingerprint or biometric lock, temporarily disable it so you can enter recovery credentials. Make sure your phone's time and date are accurate. Mismatched clocks often break verification steps. Now you run the recovery flow. Choose Forgot Password and pick the verification method you control: SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Enter codes exactly as received. Small typos cause repeated failures, so copy-paste when possible. If two-factor authentication is active, use backup codes or a previously trusted device to approve sign-in, because resetting the primary factor without them can lock you out. Keep patience. Google throttles attempts to prevent fraud, so wait a few minutes between tries. Finish by creating a new, strong password and test signing into Gpay immediately. This confirms recovery succeeded. Once signed in, re-enable biometrics if you use them, but first confirm that payments and passkeys work. If something fails, clear the Gpay app cache or reinstall it and restart your phone. These steps fix corrupted session states. If problems persist, contact Google support with your account email and error codes. They can escalate account verification securely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.